Hi all, and welcome to Cooking as Meditation channel. Today is detox day, but with pasta. So let's see together how to make this purifying meal. Alright friends, for this recipe we need gluten-free pasta. I've chosen quinoa spaghetti, feta cheese, uncooked beetroot, grapeseeds or olive oil, salt, and still water at room temperature. For dosages, see description below this video. First, let's take a pot with room temperature water. Add salt and place the pot on the burner, then leave it until water boils. Now add the feta cheese in the mixer. On the side, slice the beetroot. Then add the sliced beet into the blender. Add the oil, water, and salt. Then blend to a smooth paste. Now take the pink paste and pour it into a pan. Add oil and place it on the burner at low heat. Meanwhile, water is boiling, so we can start to cook the pasta. While waiting the pasta, take a piece of the feta cheese. Then crumble the cheese on a chopping board. Now the beetroot paste is ready, and once the pasta is cooked to your liking too, pour the spaghetti into the beet paste and combine well. Ready to serve the lunch? Take a deep plate and add pasta. Now sprinkle over all the feta. Optional, you can sprinkle a bit of grounded black pepper if you like. And that's all. Beetroot and feta cheese pasta is ready to be eaten. Perfect for a quick lunch or as a post-workout dinner. This pasta is so remineralizing and purifying thanks to the beetroot sauce. And if you want to know more about the impressive properties beets have, I'll leave the link of the video about this topic in the description below or as an interactive link above this video. Don't forget to let me know if you try and like this recipe. For any clarification or question, leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. If you enjoy watching this video, it will mean a word to me if you can click the little subscribe button that can help this content rise to the top. This can be a way to promote healthy eating and cooking based on naturopathic medicine, psychological and neuroscientific research. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon, my friends.